What's up guys, it's Danica. It is day 3 of my trip in Las Vegas and I am so excited because today we are gonna go out into the semi-wilderness. We're gonna go out to the Grand Canyon. I have been out to the Grand Canyon a bunch of times from all different states' entry points. The Grand Canyon is so amazing, but what is the most incredible thing about the Grand Canyon is that you never really have the same experience twice. Every state or every entry point to Grand Canyon National Park is a totally different experience in terms of terrain, the way it looks, the color of the rocks and the mountains and the cliffs and the sand. Everything is totally different. This time I'm doing something that I have never actually done before in the Grand Canyon. I've only read about, and like you see this all the time, like it's available to people to do, but I have personally never done this. I've been in a helicopter a few times before. I think you guys saw like in a previous vlog, I flew over Hong Kong in a helicopter. Years ago, I flew a helicopter with one of my friends to go see diamonds, which is like a whole story for like another day. But I have never taken a helicopter across the Grand Canyon, over the Grand Canyon, into the Grand Canyon. I am so excited to try this. I'm a little nervous. I'm always kind of nervous when I get into a helicopter. I don't have like a fear of flying. So I've been flying for a long time, like since I was a kid. I've always flown on like airplanes and stuff. But of course, like, you know, helicopters, it's a little bit more exposed to the outside than an airplane is. Anyway, I'm so excited to do that. You can hear the gongs outside. It is just coming up on 11 o'clock now. I'm leaving for the helicopter takeoff point. I thought it was like at the top of this hotel, but I think we actually are gonna take a car to the helicopter place, and then we're actually leaving from the strip to go to the Grand Canyon. So I'm super stoked about that. I even bought a gimbal for my cell phone, and it's not like a super expensive gimbal, but I bought one specially for this excursion. Of course, I'm hoping to use the gimbal in the future for like other stuff, but this is the reason for the gimbal. So hopefully I can get that to work correctly, and hopefully we can get some cool shots. So hope you're ready for a super fun day. It's just another gorgeous day in Las Vegas. We're here at McCarran Airfield. All right, it's happening. We're on the helicopter. I put on my seatbelt. We made it!
That was great.
All the helicopters, and we're in the middle of the Grand Canyon. It's so beautiful here. So we landed here and we're just having a drink and a snack, and I think we go back in a little bit. This is pretty epic. It's so different than driving into the Grand Canyon. It's just, I wouldn't say it's better or worse, but it's just so epic. You know, a casual cocktail in the Grand Canyon. We stopped to get gas. No, seriously, we did stop to get gas. The gas tanks are behind us and they're just gonna, it's not like just self-service. They just take the hose and they put it in. Well, I don't know. There it is. Back from the helicopter thing, I ran to my room and changed. Obviously, I'm wearing a different outfit. And now we're gonna head out to Red Rock to check out Scott Conant's new restaurant. Okay, we're at Red Rock Casino. I've never been here before. I'm super excited because I heard really good things about it. Let's get inside. Also, I'm really hungry. To a new Spiegelworld show preview.
Alright, this is like Patti LaBelle, shoulder pads.
Now we're going to second dinner at Momofuku. You guys, I am finally back in my room. It is midnight. This day was just packed with like all these amazing activities. I'm so exhausted. I have to go to sleep immediately. Like, I was sitting at dinner and it was like coming up on midnight and they were plating the main course and I was like, I literally am gonna like fall asleep at the table. So yeah, you can see how tired I am. You can hear how tired I am. So I'm gonna do that now. And I'm gonna post this in the morning. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you are having a great week and I hope you're going to a great weekend. And I'm kind of excited to go back to New York tomorrow and hang out with family and stuff on Sunday, sort out my life a little bit and go into work on Monday, start Q2 like super fresh. All right, good night.